Let's link files to inspection instructions. Link once, always current. Your team is in the middle of a machine safety check. They hit an instruction step, the lockout-tagout procedure they need before touching the equipment. One tap. The correct document opens right there in the inspection. No searching, no version confusion, no compliance risk. Linking files puts the right procedure directly inside the inspection, right where your team needs it. And when a file is updated, every template that references it syncs automatically. One source of truth, zero manual maintenance. In this video, we'll cover how to link a file to an inspection instruction in a template, what your frontline team sees during an inspection, and how updating a file syncs automatically across every template that references it. Before we start, you'll need Conduct Edit access on the template and at least View access on the file in Documents. Any seat type works. Let's link it up. Head to Templates. If you don't see it, check under More. It's hiding there. Then edit your template. We'll use our lockout-tagout procedure. Navigate to the instruction step where you want to link the file. If you don't have the instruction response type yet, select it here. Click Add File. You have the option to upload a new file here, or link from your existing documents library. Select your file, then click Add File to confirm. The file appears linked within the instruction field. If you ever need to swap the file, now or later, just click Replace File and follow the same steps. Don't forget to click Publish to share the changes with your team. Now let's see what your frontline team experiences. On mobile, the operator is performing the lotto procedure. They reach the instruction step, and the linked SOP is right there. One tap to open it. Latest version right on the floor. Now let's update the file and watch the template sync automatically. The lotto procedure has been revised. A new isolation point has been added. Head to Documents and open the file that needs to be updated. Then click Edit. Upload the new version. Then click Save. Now let's head to our template. We can see the document has already been updated. The latest version will be automatically available for new inspections. No re-upload, no changes to the template, it just syncs. One link, every template, always the right version. Documents is your central hub for every file your team needs, from SOPs, policies, recipes, and everything in between. Search Documents in our Help Center to explore everything it can do. Head to help.safetyculture.com.